Hello everyone, and trust you are having an amazing planting season. So in this video, I'm going to take you around to show you basic management practices or routine checks you are to carry out on that your commercial field. Why we are doing this is so as to ensure that you are going to be having a very successful 2025 planting season, growing your yams in sack. And I am going to be taking you through one of our commercial yam in sack projects. Peace. All right, guys, so welcome. This is the field after 3 months. Yes, this is the field after 3 months, and the beauty of this field is that, as you can see, we ensure that the field was properly staked. The management of your field has to be top notch. The management of this field is top notch, and that's why you can see that the field is looking very, very clean. Okay, and again, you can see the field is, weed free, which is great for the development of the tuber. So at this very stage of the yam, this is the tuberization stage or process of the yam. This is that period when the yams develop tubers. Okay, this is the time that we then determine if your yam is really gonna develop very huge tubers, or it is gonna develop very not so huge tubers. The first thing I would like you to know is that your leaves, sometimes how beautiful looking your leaf is, sometimes doesn't always translate into very big tubers. Okay, your leaf growth could either mean that there's enough nitrogen in the soil and the leaves are doing well. Of course, if the leaves are doing well, that simply means that there will be more access to sunlight and photosynthesis can take place. But this is what you need to ensure. Okay, you need to ensure one, your leaves has to be healthy, and then you need to pay close attention to the leaves to ensure that there are no infestations. Okay, there are no infestation. Okay, you have to ensure there are no infestations at all. Okay, you have to ensure that there are no infestation. As you can see, this field is not infested, but right now, if you look up closely here, you see that the leaves are folding. Okay, so if you look up closely here, see that the leaves are kind of folding. So what we can do at that point, what we have to do is to also prepare for fumigation or spraying of insecticide, okay, and fungicide on the field, just to ensure that we do not encourage any build-up on the field. So that is one thing you have to pay attention to. Usually what you should focus more on is the leaf on the field, because the leaf obviously will tell you what is wrong with your plant in there. Since you can literally go into each of the sacks to then see how they are doing, what you need to do at this point is to pay critical attention to the leaves. So after you've done that, okay, the next thing you want to do is to ensure that you now take your fertilizing of your field very seriously. These plants are growing in sacks. The implication is that they are only limited to the nutrient available in the sack compared to when they grow on the open field. They are only limited to the nutrients available in the sack.